back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So today we have our April 2019 Love Care Box. I did unbox this for the first time last month on my channel and I loved it. It is a natural vegan bath and body subscription. It is super fantastic. I will leave a link down below. I do also have a coupon code if you would like to sign up. You can actually get this Love Care Box for $29 a month with my coupon code. That's awesome because that's not the normal price, but that will get you this box every month for that price. Awesome. So we are going to go ahead and dive in. Again, this is the April 2019 Love Care Box. I am super excited to see what is in here. And it does say hashtag vegan, hashtag natural, hashtag handcrafted. So let's get on in here. They are on Facebook at LuvCareBox and Instagram at LuvCareBox. So if you want to follow them on social media, you can. And just as last month, this box is just so gorgeous. We open it and it has this beautiful rabbit wisteria, just gorgeous look to the box. I love it. And it says handmade with love. So let's take a look at our card. It says Farmers Market, vegan bath and body goodies. Love Care Box, April 2019. The retail value is $58. And let's just get into it and see. Like I said, last month was amazing. It was just fantastic. Had a body butter in here that was, to die for. I smell something. So this is what I see when we open it. Whoop. All right. So we have this here, which is so cute. So we'll open this first. And see what this is. It's sealed really well. Oh. Okay. Yay! Christopher will be very happy. So we had some Yum Earth. Organic Pops. Suckers. We got 5 different flavors. Yay! So we got suckers. Are these on here or just extra? These are just extra. That was so nice. Okay. That's a great way to start. All right, so the first thing I see here, this is cool looking. Hold on a minute. So this, okay, let's get that off. Is this wooden? Lemon pound cake shampoo bar for normal to dry hair. Oh, that smells so good. Y'all, that smells so good. That smells so good. Lemon pound cake shampoo bar. It's 4 ounces. It's an $8 value. Our shampoo bar is formulated with a botanical blend of silky luxe oils for normal to dry hair. This cleansing bar lathers great, leaves scalp and hair feeling soft, conditioned, and smelling amazing. And then gave you a little thing for it to sit on. I've never used a shampoo bar. I'm going to now because this smells awesome. But I have been seeing a lot of them in different boxes, different videos I've seen. So I'm really excited to give this a try. And it smells so good. Okay. Yay. And then we have a peppermint and vanilla lip butter. This is from the Little Bubble. This is a $4 value. Nourish your dry cracked lips with this creamy vegan lip butter. Your kisser will thank you. And I am all about some peppermint and vanilla. Those two together are awesome. So yay. Can always use that, especially this time of year. You want to keep everything moisturized. And then we have, what are you? Oh, this is, okay, so this is also from the Little Bubble. This is a $5 value. This is a peppermint lip scrub. Awesome. I love, again, peppermint, and we can always use a great lip scrub. To use, simply rub a small amount on lips and exfoliate them for 15 to 30 seconds and then rinse. The gritty sugar and oils will remove dead skin cells and add moisture. Awesome. I will be putting this into the shower. Oh, there was a little bit on there. I can smell it. It smells so good. Okay. And then, oh, what is this? Okay. Sage and Lavender Natural Body Polish. This is a $17 value. It is 8 ounces. We created this deliciously scented body polish with a yummy mix of herbal fragrances and essential oils made especially for you. Our Sage and Lavender Natural Body Polish is an exciting botanical blend of sugar, oils, and essential oils. Excuse me. Excuse me. All right, so this is like a body scrub. I can see it in there. It's like a scrub. So again, this is something great to have this time of year. So awesome. Awesome, awesome. And then they always include, and I think this is so fantastic, especially when you have body scrubs and their body butter, that Japanese cherry blossom from last month, amazing. But it was like super, super thick and awesome and moisturizing. I love that they include these little wooden spoons so you don't have to like dig it out from under your nails or things. So I think that that is a great touch. They included 2 because we have another, well, this is a whipped body butter in cucumber melon. Woohoo! $15. This is 7 ounces. Our body butters are handmade, deliciously scented, and feel great on your skin. All ingredients are plant-based and luxurious. And I can tell you, again, from last month, that Japanese cherry blossom, there's probably only like this much left because it smells awesome. I love it. Makes my skin feel so amazing. I am excited to see this guy being a whipped body butter. That smells so good. That it's sweet and fresh, but light. Oh, y'all. I mean, do y'all see this? This is like for real, legit, serious body butter. This stuff is amazing. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh, it just makes my skin, sorry, I have swatches from another video. This just makes my skin feel so amazing. And again, y'all, that just smells fantastic. Oh my goodness. All right, and then let's see here. We did that. Oh, y'all, I totally skipped. This is Cedar Natural Wood Spa Soap Savers. This is from Pine Branch Designs. It is $3. Extend the life of your handmade soaps with the natural cedar dish soap. With this natural cedar soap dish. The design helps absorb water and promote quick drying, great in the shower. These dishes are also useful for drying sponges at the kitchen sink or airing out still wool. So, okay. Yay! I skipped that somehow. So, our final item, I am actually, yes. Okay. It is some wax melts. I love this. Friendship Bread Wax Tart, Bare Naked Candles. This is a $6 value. The aroma of freshly baked bread with notes of raisin, nut, and strawberries. Ooh, this particular soy tart comes packaged in a 6-block clamshell for easy use. Simply break 1 or 2 off and place in your favorite warmer. Ooh, okay. I love wax melts so much. Oh my gosh. Y'all, that smells amazing. Oh my goodness. And the fact that these are soy, that just smells so good. I wish I could be like, yo, smell it, smell it. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. Friendship bread. Oh, we're about to be best friends because I'm about to put this in some wax burners. Oh, that smells so good. It smells so good. Okay. Calm down, Nicki. That just smells awesome. Okay, so we have these amazing smelling wax melts. We have the fantastically smelling and super wonderful cucumber melon whipped body butter. Love this. The shampoo bar that smells delicious, like lemon pound cake, with the little cedar plank to set it on, which I think is awesome. The peppermint lip scrub, which is great, and then the peppermint and vanilla lip butter, so awesome for that. And the sage and lavender body polish, the scrub, and as always the little spoons to help us get our goodies out, and then the suckers. That was a great touch. I think this is fantastic. I definitely love this subscription. The smells, y'all, these items all just smell so good, and I seriously wish we had smell-o-vision. I know I think I've said that in other videos, but this subscription is definitely one I wish we had it because y'all would not believe how good these things smell. So I'm going to go put some more of this on, and I'm going to go put some of these in a wax warmer, and yes. So again, I will put that link down below as well as that coupon code if you would like to sign up. Again, the coupon code will get you this box for $29 every month. That is awesome. Awesome, awesome. Because their smaller box is what's actually normally $29 a month. But that coupon code, like I said, will get this for you for $29 a month. Awesome. Don't forget, we do have our 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on. So head over and check that out. The link will be below if you have not entered. And if you are new, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. As always, please do give the video a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you at the next one. Bye.